Hello, Adrian. Hello, everyone listening.
Hello, Karin.
I have a question today. What is the number one tip you give someone who wants to become a better listener?
Great question, Karin. My number one tip is be fully present in the conversation. This is very important because it shows respect and genuine interest in the other person. When you give your full attention, you listen more effectively and pick up on both the words and the emotions. And that strengthens the relationship with the other person. What is your number one tip, Karin?
My number one tip is when you have a conversation with someone to really, like you just said, focus on the words because there is so much that is often not being said, like the underlying emotion, and come from a place of curiosity. It really helps not to shut down another person's idea, maybe, when you really focus on understanding where the other person is coming from. And so often, when we have a conversation, this doesn't happen because we are more focused on what we have to say than really staying with the person in front of us. So this was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.